what you are doing is being stored by your service provider, the search terms that you're entering, your email, your web browsing, and the protections for that information are very weak. This year, there are a lot of efforts underway to reform the major federal statute governing surveillance law, which is ECPA, Electronic Communications Privacy Act. It just had its 25th anniversary. It was written, a good 8 years before the World Wide Web, well before so many of the things that we do online were happening.
How do you strike the correct balance between the civil liberties and the freedoms of the people who want to use the internet and the very desperate need for law enforcement to make sure that they can find and bring to justice people who commit crime?
For instance, there have been subpoenas asking for how many times a search term has gone into Google or Yahoo, and you don't necessarily want the government knowing how many times you've searched a certain term. It's none of their business.
Do you worry about your privacy?
I do when I really think about it. It's something that most people use every day and don't realize the implications of what kind of information is going out into the world and who has access to that information.
So we need more remedies, we need more notice, we need more oversight by Congress, the press, the citizens. It needs to stop. There's a tremendous amount of surveillance taking place without any review.